Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat dito mga kapatid. Welcome back. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Start of Intaro. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay natutuwa. And ang reading natin ngayon, this person is going to confess. And I don't know if it's gonna happen, but this person's planning to confess. Yun po ang nakukuha kong energy. So alamin natin kung sino tong taong gustong mag-confess sa inyo. Okay, Spirit, kanina, sino itong taong gustong mag-confess or maiko-confess at mga collective? Sino siya? Okay. We have here kapitbahay, ex. Itong ex talaga hindi nawawala, ano? Okay, relatives. Ano pa? Katrabaho. Ang iyong katrabaho ay maiko-confess sa inyo. Sino pa? Spirit, kanina, sino itong taong may gustong iko-confess at mga collective? Or may gustong sabihin? Alright, sino siya? So, we have here, boy employee, kung ikaw ito may negosyo, ikaw itong amo, twin flame, you might be dealing with your twin flame. Okay, ex-coworker, your ex-coworker, admire mong lalaki, pamangkin na babae, itong relatives. Admire na lalaki, wow, confirm, may nag-a-admire sa inyo. Itong taong ito ay gustong, I don't know, ligawan ka o may confess. May importanteng sabihin sa inyo. Single parent. Ang taong ito ay single parent. You could be dealing with a single parent. Ex-coworker, confirm. Ang inyong ex-coworker, kaibigan na babae. Okay. Maybe may kaibigan kang babae na single mother. FB friends na lalaki. Okay, tambay. Ang taong itong tambay. Walang trabaho. So, alamin natin the reason kung bakit siya bakit nga ba siya magko-confess sa inyo. Spirit Angels, ano ba talagang reason kung bakit magko-confess ang taong ito? Tungkol saan kung bakit mag-confess ang taong ito sa ating mga collective? Okay, Cups. Pagmamahalan. Siguro itong taong ito ay wanting to offer or mag-propose sa inyo. Could be dealing with ex, may magbabalik. Meron itong magbabalik, meron itong mag-confess ng nararamdaman, to invite you to go out, to have a date. Yeah, I think this person is going to message you. Yeah, this person is going to message you, may iaalok sa inyo. Someone's going to offer you partnership or relationship. Yeah. Someone's going to message you, offer you. This could be related sa boss ninyo. Thinking about you. Ikaw ang laman ng isipan niya. Or this could be, again, could be your boss, ex-coworker. This is about related sa finances eh. Yeah, it could be sa katrabaho, boss, or o yung empleyado mo. Thinking about you. Maybe this person, or this could be a person na may pera. Meron tayo itong boss energy ha, at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, maybe this person been thinking about you recently. Yeah, maybe ang taong ito ay nakatira sa city. Maybe you're dealing with a person na Taurus. Yeah, may katigasan ng ulo ng taong ito ha, pero galante. Like again, boss energy, maybe this person is going to tell you something important related sa inyong trabaho or finances, negosyo could be. Maybe ma-surprise ka dito dahil mag-reach out ang taong ito or ipapatawag ka or bigla kang kausapin. Yeah. Okay, so someone here is going to offer you a new job could be or new partnership, negosyo or relationship. Mag-confess sa iyo, mag-message sa inyo, kausapin ka. Okay. If this about love, how this person truly feel for you? If this about love confession, ano ba talaga totoong nararamdaman ng taong ito? ng taong ito, this person's confession, tunay niyang nararamdaman, or intention sa ating mga collective. Okay. The High Priestess. You guys are so, something about magic in you. Maybe feeling ng tao ito, may love spell. Ni-love spell mo siya. You are like, para kang diwata. No? Para kang prinsipe sa mga mata niya. Na starstruck ang taong ito. Kaya nga siguro, magko-confess siya sa inyo. Something about you is like hidden, nakatago. Kaya nakukon-confuse. I don't know, confusion or gusto niya makilala ka pa. And malalaman talaga niya yung ano yung mga, I don't know, something about na gusto niyang makilala yung buong pagkatao mo. Gusto kanyang kilalanin pa. Kasi wala siya masyadong alam sa inyo eh. That's the reason kaya mag-confess siya sa inyo. Para kilalanin ka talaga. Anong makakaya mong gawin and kung sino ka, kung ano ka. Yeah. This person find you so amusing. You could be, I don't know, artistic, magandang boses, or sa looks mo siguro, may pagkadiwata yung looks mo, sa pananamit, or psychic, you could be psychic. Maybe you can sense this person, maybe you know, at alam mo siguro kung sino tong taong ito, or nararamdaman mo, nafe-feel mo siguro tong taong ito na siya. No, siya na siguro ito magko-confess sa inyo, or may nararamdaman sa inyo. You know how this person feel, or, and that's why this person is like, bakit parang basang-basa mo siya? Wow. Okay. Something about like, you are kind of like secretive. Kaya nga gusto niya mag-confess sa iyo dahil gusto niya malaman kung ano ba talaga nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Or ano yung magiging komento mo, sasabihin niya sa iyo. Dahil interesado siyang malaman niya yung sa side mo. I don't know what it's all about, but it's about partnership, an offer. Could be business, coworker, or love. Are you going to accept this person's offer na makadate ka? Or it could be marriage. That again, you are dealing with the twin flame or ex ninyo. Maybe this person's going back or wants to get back to you, makipag-reunite. Kasi wala siyang alam, wala siguro siyang naririnig tungkol sa iyo. And that's why this person wanted to confess their feelings para malaman mo yung totoong side niya, yung nararamdaman niya sa inyo. Okay? Maybe you're dealing with a single parent. Yeah, it could be a friend, again, katrabaho, ex-coworker, relatives. Yung relatives ninyo, alamin pa natin yung maybe magte-text ito. Ito magko-confess sa inyo. About naman sa relatives, guys, maybe magko-confess ang taong ito tungkol sa finances. Yeah. And I'm also getting like, a relatives is going to tell you na may gusto ang taong ito sa iyo. Someone na, I don't know, parang naging, ano siya eh, anong tawag nito? Nagiging bridge ang relatives mo sa ibang tao. Okay? Sabihin natin si relatives kay pinsan, no? Yeah, pinsan ninyo, or tiyahin ba, tiyuhin, may sasabihin sa inyo na, si ano, gito, ganyan. Parang, like again, may sasabihin sa inyo from this person na nasagap nila or naririnig nila or, I don't know, something about these relatives. Okay, alamin pa natin. Kasi nakukuhanan ko yung bridge. Yung relatives mo ang nagiging bridge tungkol sa taong ito. As I would say, third party, no? Another third person involved tungkol sa i-confess. Speaking of just, ano itong relatives na i-confess? Ano i-confess ni relatives sa ating mga collective? Tungkol saan itong i-confess? Yeah, 5 of Cups. Alright, siguro magko-confess ang taong ito dahil, I don't know, nalulungkot siya, kailangan niya ng, maybe this person is trying, I don't know, you know what guys? I'm sorry guys ha. Baka magko-confess siya dahil bakla or tomboy. Something about like their sexuality. Baka magugulat ka dito dahil sabihin natin na pinsan, no? Bakla ako. Something about their sexual. Yeah. Maybe tinatago-tago niya na ito eh. Yeah, and ikaw lang ang pagsasabihan niya because this person trusted you. You are a type of person very trustworthy, mga collective. And that's why this person is going to confess because they trust you. Yeah. And this person, I don't know, it could be related sa pagiging bakla, tomboy, or maybe dahil nagmahal siya ng bakla or tomboy. Or baka ipinagpalit siya sa iba na bakla or tomboy. Comment ka nga dito kasi marami akong energy na kukuha dito eh. Again guys, collective reading po ito and general reading, hindi po ito para sa isang tao lang. Hindi po ito private reading. Kunin nyo lang guys kung saan kayo nakakasunit. And I'm sure na may makakaresonate dito. And gets na gets itong pinagsasabi ko about this gender reveal. Yeah, i-reveal ng tao ito, i-confess niya na bakla siya, tomboy siya, or siguro yung iba dito, nagmahal siya ng bakla or tomboy. Yung iba naman, it could be dahil pinagpalit siya sa tomboy or bakla. Something about the gender or sexuality, no? That's their confession. Alright? So, yeah, yung iba naman dito, relatives, pamangkin na babae, and I think they want to tell you or confess about their love life. Yeah. Relatives, pamangkin, na sabihin sa inyo na nalulungkot ako ngayon dahil siguro nagkahiwalay sila ng ex niya, ng girlfriend niya, or it could be related sa ex nila, no? So, yan, iko-confess nila yung karelasyon niya or tungkol sa karelasyon niya ngayon sa inyo. So, maybe you are the kind of person na you're like a teacher. So, High Priestess is like a teacher. So, ikaw yung madaling lapitan, trustworthy, and nagbibigay advice sa kanila. Yeah, kaya ang tao ito ay madaling, ikaw agad ang naisipan niyang mag-confess or lapitan para i-confess yung nararamdaman niya o yung sitwasyon niya sa inyo. Alright? Okay, ano pa? So, about naman sa love, alamin natin kung kailan itong magte-text message sa inyo or magko-confess para magkaroon tayo ng idea kung kailan. So, we have here 6, 10, 9, and 7. Alright? So, it could be weeks, days, months, or time, hours. It could be 6 o'clock or 6 hours from now. Mag-message ang taong ito sa inyo, ex-coworker, mag-confess, or this lover, twin flame, FB friend, kapitbahay, boy employee. Again guys, itong taong ito magko-confess 6 days from now. It could be weeks, hours, or 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock, or 9 o'clock, or 9 days from now, or 9 hours from now, 7 hours from now. It could be hours, days, weeks, or months. Itong taong ito ay magko-confess. For alamin natin yung magiging reaction ninyo bago mag-end yung reading na ito, no? Alamin natin kung ano magiging reaction mo pag mag-confess ang taong ito sa inyo. Spirit ka rin just, ano ang magiging reaction niya ng collective natin. Okay. You know what? Kunin mo natin yung initials. Sino itong taong initials ng taong mag-confess at mga collective? Soon. Initials. We have here letter D, I, S, ano pa? Initials, letter W, T, and W ulit. Wow. You and I. Wow, you and I. We need to, one-on-one. Wow, you and I. Let's do one-on-one conversation. Wow, parang umiinit. I'm getting the energy na may umiinit dito or mainit yung pag-uusapan nyo dito. So, mapapa-hot seat ka dito mga kapatid. Wow. Spirit Angels, ano magiging reaction ng mga collective natin pag mag-confess ang tao ito sa ating mga collective? Ang tao mag-confess, ano magiging reaction ng ating mga collective sa i-confess niya? Okay. Alright, we have here. Okay. Yeah, so healing, it could be like about sa money yung iba dito. Yeah, maybe hindi ka prepared or if this about money, no, yeah, you might be, I don't know, like, have a second thought if you're going to take this offer. Yung iba naman dito, it could be, I don't know, third party. Yeah. It could be sa ex, no? Dahil nasaktan ka and you need time to heal. Yeah, I'm getting like, maybe you need a stable offer from this person. If this person's going to tell you about their confession, their feelings, yeah, kailangan strong, no? Kailangan may, whatever this person offer, reliable. Yeah. Reliable itong i-offer sa inyo or may stability. Hindi yung walang kasiguraduhan itong i-offer. Kasi ikaw itong gusto mo yung totoo, the truth. Wala yung third party. So, that is your reaction pagka mag-confess ang taong ito. Yeah. Make sure na walang kasalo. Yeah. Ikaw itong tao magiging sigurista. Alright? So, that is your reaction pag mag-confess ang taong ito. Yung iba naman, Six of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune, Four of Wands, the Magician, and the Death. Siguro, this could be about like, yeah, maybe you are, meron dito sa inyo, willing ka naman to take, to take this, responsibility. It could be about sa responsibility na i-confess ng taong ito. Siguro, again, single parent. Maybe, if this person is related sa may mga anak, maybe willing ka na tanggapin siya, or okay lang sa'yo na may anak siya, or this could be about related sa mga bata, na okay naman sa'yo basta walang masasaktan, walang maagrabyado, and willing ka namang tumulong pagdating sa mga bata, or sa pagtulong ng mga bata. Sometimes sa mga bata na tulungan, And yeah, iba naman, this could be related sa opportunity. The Wheel of Fortune about destiny. Maybe you are destined to, it's destined for you guys to have this conversation. Na malaman mo ito. Na magkausap kayo. Na ma-meet mo itong taong ito. Kahit na ex mo na, it's destined na magkaroon kayo ng pag-uusap. I don't know, trying to fix things up, it's up to you. Kasi meron itong third party eh. Kaya nga siguro magbabalik siya para maayos o mabuo siguro ang pamilya ninyo, or maybe nagkaroon nito ng bad situation, no, or trauma ang taong ito, and maybe ikaw itong tao na makapaghilom sa kanyang bad experience, mga trauma. Yeah, or somehow ikaw itong malaking tulong sa kanya, giving advice. Yeah. Okay, ikaw kasi itong tao na pagka, sabihin natin pag nag-confess siya ang nag-agrabyado, your reaction will be like, okay, ready ka. Ready ka para hanapin yung sino yung away sa kanya. You have become like a big sister, a big brother. Naging guru ka sa kanya. Naging knight in shining armor ka sa kanya. Wala tayong gender dito guys ha. Babae o lalaki, everybody are welcome here, bakla, tumboy. Okay? So again, kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakarasunod dito. Iba naman dito, again, may mag-o-offer sa inyo dito ng relationship. Meron naman dito sa inyo na, yes, I do. Gusto siguro dito ng mag-level up. Maybe your current relationship right now, siguro oras na, no, para mag-level up itong relationship ninyo. Yeah. From relationship or dating, no, dating part pa lang, this person wants to have kids with you. Ready na siya para mag-alok sa'yo ng forever. Na siya na maging forever mo. And your reaction will be, yes, I do. Meron naman dito na naghahanap ka pa ng kasiguraduhan na walang third party. So, maybe you are not sure yung iba dito. Yeah. Iba naman, you are wise. Most of you here, mga kapatid, marami kang minamanifest. Siguro minamanifest po itong taong ito. Whatever you manifest, it's gonna happen. This part of, Siguro ex, confession, pagbabalikan, reconciliation, mag-aayos, an offer, work, finances. Itong minamanifest mo, it's happening. And siguro in-expect mo ito at darating na. Wow. Keep going, guys, because this manifestation is happening. Mangyari itong minamanifest mo. And this end, an ending. Okay? Do not expect too much na ang taong ito ay maghihingi ng pagpapatawad. Just wait and let this person open, no? Isabahagi yung lahat ng nararamdaman niya sa inyo. Yeah, maybe slowly. Dahan-dahan na muna. Wag natin na lahat-lahat i-open lahat, no? Slowly na muna kasi siguro ang taong ito ay naghahanap pa ng I don't know, like time. When is the good time para pag-usapan ito? Kung lahat ba ay okay na sabihin sa iyo yung nararamdaman niya o yung dapat niya sabihin sa iyo, or kunti lang muna. Kunting part lang muna. Kasi tinitingnan na muna niya kung ano magiging reaction mo. And same thing to you. Okay? You will be like, pag-aaralan mo muna siya kung totoo ba talaga yung mga sinasabi niya sa inyo. That is your reaction, yung iba dito. Yeah, and it's okay. It's a good thing, no? Para alam natin na totoo ba itong taong ito or ano lang, parang laro-laro lang, no? So, yeah. Hanggang dito na mga kapatid. I do hope nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. And please leave your comment below what you think about this reading. And feel free to share your story. At ako po ay natutuwa na mabasa ang inyong mga samut-saring story ng inyong buhay. And thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next reading. Bye!